Welcome back to the Tips and Tricks video series. So far, we've covered course scheduling, setting up your website, and configuring your checkout. In this video, we'll look at another one of Arlo's most powerful built-in tools, the CRM. You'll learn how Arlo CRM helps you track learners, organizations, and presenters all in one place automatically. Let's go check it out. Arlo automatically builds and maintains records for you and stores them in your platform. When someone registers for a course, fills out a form, or is added manually, Arlo either updates that existing record or creates a new one if it doesn't exist yet. That means your database is always up to date. Let's start with contacts today. From the Contacts tab, you'll see a high-level list with their name, their organization they belong to, position, email, phone number, and location for this record specifically. If I click into a contact like Felicity, I'll see more detailed information on the left, including general info like email, phone, and the organization they belong to, course history they've had with my business, and any e-learning activity. I can see past communications, certifications sent, and a whole lot more. On the right, just like courses, there's also an action bar with shortcuts to edit the record, add notes, send emails and communications, apply discounts, and more. Contact records give you the full story of each learner, what they've taken, how they've paid, and every message they've ever received through Arlo. We also apply this record to an organization. For Felicity, she applies to Design Q business. Let's go have a look at that. For organizations at a glance, again, in the list view, you'll see the organization's name, the account manager, phone number, website, and any key contacts relating to this business. If I click into an organization, similar to a contact record, it will show a lot of key information as well as some more new information as well, such as all linked contacts to this business. I can see any private training or private courses delivered, any employee certifications provided, as well as any tasks and activity history. Just like with contacts, there's an action bar for quick updates and communication. Organizations let you see the bigger picture of your business relationships. Arlo also manages presenters and CRM records too. From the Presenters tab, you'll see again a lot of the key information, as well as the number of courses that they've delivered with your business. Inside a presenter record, you'll find new information such as the course history and their upcoming schedule. This links as well to the presenter calendar for availability, which we covered in the earlier video of scheduling. You can also see any contact and logistical details as well. Presenters are core to your training delivery, and having their full schedule and history in one place makes coordination that much easier. You're not limited to automatic records as well. You could easily create new ones too. Click Create New Record from either the Contact, Organization, or Presenter tab, and you can then enter some key information, and you can be as detailed or granular as you'd like here. You can fill in information such as the email, the phone, location, their dietary needs, any preferences around marketing, maybe surveys. You can add their region for time zone automated communications. You can add privacy and security information as well. The more complete your records, the easier it is to deliver personalized training and communication. And that's the high-level essentials of Arlo's built-in CRM. To do a quick recap, contacts track individual learners and their course history. Organizations group clients and their associated contacts. Presenters manage instructor schedules and availability. And you can always add or import new records to keep your database complete and up to date. In the next video, we'll explore reporting, how to use Arlo's core reports to measure training performance and business outcomes. See you in the next one. Happy training.